Frontier. The Nissan Frontier offers a full-length, fully boxed frame for strength, serious off-road capabilities, and a 5-star rating for side impact crash safety. The Frontier's interior comforts include cab versatility, under-seat storage, and seating for 5, and is priced below $30,000. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tire pressure monitor, traction control, stability control, steel wheels, tires front all season, tires rear all season, 4-wheel disc brakes, privacy glass, rear wheel drive, variable speed, intermittent wipers. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.